a few of my favorite things. Hi everyone, welcome back to Kravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. During the holidays, everyone loves to make sweets and cookies and all kinds of treats for your family and friends to share. These are some of my traditional recipes that come from India, from the Christian communities that live in India, and these are the sweets that are prepared every year. Here are some of my favorites. Before I go any further, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Marzipan is another must try. My marzipan recipe is tried and true, and it's totally made easy by cooking it in the microwave. This is a mixture of ground nuts, icing sugar, egg whites and essence, and it can be molded into any shape over the holidays. I also love to roll it out and use it to cover cakes. Speaking of cakes, next is my fruitcake. I recently learned how to make a spectacular fruitcake. The fruits were soaked in both brandy and rum, and it makes for a delicious cake. You can also serve a slice as it is, or you can cover it with a layer of marzipan or even icing sugar. This fig and walnut cake is just as delicious without the alcohol, and I steamed it in my Instant Pot, which gives it the texture of a pudding more than a cake. Rose cookies are a huge fave. It can take a little bit to get the hang of it, but once you do, you can whip up a huge stash of these crunchy cookies in no time. This coconut cake was shared by my good friend Loretta. It's similar to the Go and Bath coconut cake, but it's made with desiccated coconut, giving it a longer shelf life for the holidays. Shankarpali or Shakkarpara is served at Diwali, but back home my grandmother used to make this for Christmas. It's a simple cookie dough batter that is cut out into diamond or square shapes and then deep fried. And the latest addition to my Christmas sweets repertoire is the famous Goan bibinka or bibik. This is made with coconut milk, eggs and sugar, and just a little bit of flour to hold it all together. Thank you so much for joining me on Kravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed these delicious recipes. You can try these yourself in your own home. I'm going to leave the link for the playlist at the end of this video as well as in the description. Until I see you next time, do have a very happy and very blessed holiday. Take care. Bye.